How about it, YouTubers? Any of you people have dogs that have, I think that thing is a wart. It got smaller. I picked that a little bit. It was like cauliflower, and then it kind of blew up here a week or two later. And she's had one here on her nose. Where is it? I gotta get my finger in there. Yeah, stop moving around. We're trying to get some photographic evidence here for the YouTube crowd. Yeah. It's under the fur there. Yeah, there it is. There's that bastardy thing. I'm almost tempted to get a soldering iron and attack that. But that one's too close to her eye. If I miss, I could screw something up. That one I would think I'd attack with some diagonal cutters and maybe a soldering iron. I don't know. I'll probably spend some money at the vet. Oh, look at. God bless the YouTubers.